Now looking at a resistance band single arm row, also known, this variation would be also known as more of a lawnmower type row. You're gonna take your band doubled over, you're gonna lay it down so it's running underneath just 1 foot, underneath the arch of your 1 foot, right? And then you're gonna grab the loop on the opposite side of your foot as the arm that you're using, right? So I'm gonna grab it with this side, right? I'm gonna put my hand through that loop and grab it. Now keeping good pressure down on your foot, you're gonna take a nice split stance, a nice long stance, keeping your back nice and flat, and then you're just gonna do that single arm pull, single arm row, kind of like you're starting a lawnmower, right? So you're pulling from here up, pull, back down, pull, back down. Thinking about pulling your shoulder back, pulling your shoulder blade back, squeezing your shoulder blade back as you pull, and keeping that band nice and tight. And this hand here is just kind of for balance, right? So you're kind of taking some of the stress off of your low back by putting some weight on your hand here and getting that nice strong pull straight back, okay? So that would be a resistance band, single arm, lawnmower style row.